amazed at how many people don't get that. All right. See the hotel? Yep. We'll go to the hotel in 3, 2, 1. Down the hill.
Keep running. Keep running. Woohoo! Hey.
Now that is cool.
That is cool.
I wonder what that costs.
How much? The flight or the glider?
Well, no, the flight. Yeah, just two.
The flight will be $1,000.
Okay.
Look at that cable. Ooh-cha. Get a bit close to that cable.